The quest for BRICS membership by Azerbaijan and Palestine. In an era where global alliances are shifting and emerging economies are gaining prominence, the desire to align with influential groups like BRICS is becoming increasingly significant. Azerbaijan and Palestine, two nations with distinct histories, ambitions, and geopolitical challenges, have recently made headlines for their aspirations to join the BRICS group. This essay delves into the motivations, implications, and potential outcomes of their bids, shedding light on what this move means for their futures and the broader international landscape. Azerbaijan's strategic pursuit of BRICS membership. Azerbaijan, a nation strategically located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, has officially applied for BRICS membership. This move is not just a diplomatic gesture but a calculated decision deeply rooted in Azerbaijan's strategic goals, particularly its desire to strengthen economic ties and diversify its international partnerships. The country has long maintained a balanced foreign policy, cultivating relationships with both Western nations and powerful Eastern players like China and Russia. Joining BRICS is seen as a natural extension of this approach, offering Azerbaijan a platform to enhance its economic and geopolitical standing. At the heart of Azerbaijan's interest in BRICS lies its economic strategy. The nation has increasingly aligned itself with China, a key BRICS member, as part of its broader efforts to secure new trade routes and economic opportunities. Azerbaijan's geographical location makes it a vital link in the trade routes connecting Europe and Asia. And by joining BRICS, the country hopes to leverage this position to boost its economic growth. The economic benefits are clear. BRICS countries already account for a significant portion of Azerbaijan's trade, with Russia and China being major partners. By formally joining the group, Azerbaijan could further strengthen these ties, opening up new markets and attracting more foreign investment. Moreover, Azerbaijan's economy is heavily dependent on energy exports, particularly to Europe. The ongoing energy crisis exacerbated by the war in Ukraine has highlighted the importance of diversifying its economic partnerships. While Azerbaijan remains a key energy supplier to the European Union, the prospect of BRICS membership offers an additional avenue for economic security and growth. Economists in Azerbaijan argue that while the nation has strong ties with Western countries, joining BRICS could provide a counterbalance, reducing its reliance on any single group of partners. Another significant factor driving Azerbaijan's BRICS aspirations is the desire to enhance its geopolitical influence. In a rapidly changing world, where traditional alliances are being reevaluated, Azerbaijan sees BRICS as a platform to assert its position on the global stage. By aligning itself with emerging powers like China, Russia, and India, Azerbaijan hopes to strengthen its voice in international forums and secure its interests in a multipolar world order. Palestine's aspirations for BRICS, a quest for recognition and support. On the other hand, Palestine's bid to join BRICS is driven by a different set of motivations. For decades, Palestine has struggled for international recognition and support in its quest for statehood. The ongoing Israeli-Palestinian conflict has left the Palestinian leadership searching for new avenues to advance their cause. And BRICS presents a unique opportunity in this regard. One of the primary reasons Palestine seeks BRICS membership is to gain greater international recognition. The BRICS group, which includes influential nations like Russia and China, has historically expressed support for Palestinian rights and statehood. By joining BRICS, Palestine hopes to enhance its diplomatic standing and leverage the collective influence of these nations to advocate for its cause on the global stage. This is particularly important as Palestine continues to face challenges in gaining full membership in the United Nations and securing recognition from key global powers. Beyond the quest for recognition, Palestine views BRICS membership as a potential pathway to economic development. The Palestinian territories have long been plagued by economic challenges, largely due to the ongoing conflict with Israel and the restrictions imposed on their economy. By aligning with BRICS, Palestine could gain access to new markets, investments, and economic partnerships that are crucial for its development. The BRICS nations collectively represent a significant portion of the global economy, and being part of this group could provide Palestine with much-needed economic opportunities. Another critical aspect of Palestine's BRICS aspirations is its desire to find an alternative to US-led mediation in the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. For years, the United States has played a dominant role in the peace process, but the Palestinian leadership increasingly perceives this role as biased in favor of Israel. BRICS, with its calls for direct negotiations between Israel and Palestine based on international law, offers an alternative platform for advancing the peace process. By joining BRICS, Palestine hopes to revitalize discussions around a two-state solution, which has been sidelined in recent years. Furthermore, BRICS membership could help Palestine strengthen its strategic partnerships with countries that have shown solidarity with its cause. The upcoming BRICS summit, which is expected to include a session dedicated to Palestine, signals a commitment from BRICS members to engage with Palestinian issues more directly. This engagement could help Palestine navigate its complex relationships with other nations and bolster its diplomatic efforts. The broader implications of their BRICS aspirations. The simultaneous applications from Azerbaijan and Palestine to join BRICS highlight a broader trend within the group as it seeks to expand its influence and membership. BRICS, originally consisting of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, has evolved into a powerful bloc that represents the interests of emerging economies. The group's decision to expand its membership reflects its growing ambition to position itself as a counterweight to Western influence and to play a more significant role in shaping global economic and political agendas. For Azerbaijan, joining BRICS represents an opportunity to strengthen its economic ties and diversify its partnerships amidst a complex geopolitical landscape. As a nation situated between East and West, Azerbaijan's membership in BRICS could enhance its ability to navigate the challenges and opportunities that come with its unique geographical position. The country could use BRICS as a platform to further its economic ambitions, secure new investments, and solidify its role as a key player in regional and global trade. For Palestine, BRICS membership could enhance its international standing and support its quest for statehood. By aligning itself with a group of influential emerging economies, Palestine could gain the diplomatic backing it needs to advance its cause in international forums. Moreover, BRICS could provide Palestine with new economic opportunities, helping it to address the economic challenges that have long hindered its development. The aspirations of Azerbaijan and Palestine to join BRICS also reflect broader shifts in global alliances. As the world becomes increasingly multipolar, nations are seeking new partners and platforms to secure their interests and assert their influence. BRICS, with its focus on emerging economies and its challenge to Western dominance, represents an attractive option for countries looking to diversify their alliances and pursue new opportunities. In conclusion, the quest for BRICS membership by Azerbaijan and Palestine is a testament to the evolving dynamics of global politics and economics. For Azerbaijan, it is a strategic move to enhance its economic and geopolitical standing. While for Palestine, it is a bid for recognition, support, and economic development. As BRICS continues to expand its influence, the inclusion of new members like Azerbaijan and Palestine could further reshape the global order, offering new possibilities for these nations and the world at large. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.